Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chi Chi, and today I'm going to show you how to do the reverse ombre that has been trending on Instagram. I had to hop on this trend because, like, why not, right? Okay, so you're going to need the Kiss Color Temptation in darkest brown. The next thing you're going to need is the Kiss Color Temptation in honey brown. You're also going to need a bin so that you can put your water in, and a wig of your choice. Today I'm going to be using the Chi Beauty blonde wig. This is a closure wig in the body wave texture, and it's 18 inches. It's the best wig, y'all. The link is down in the description. Go ahead and purchase. Okay? Alright. And I'm just going to show y'all, like, look at the closure. It's perfect. And if you don't know how to pluck, you don't even need to know how to do that. Also going to need gloves and shimmer light. The shampoo, conditioner, it doesn't matter. So we're going to take the shimmer light shampoo and go ahead and drizzle that bad boy into the bin with your hot water. And we're going to give that a good stir and let the shampoo or conditioner, whichever one you're using, I use shampoo, go ahead and dissolve in the water mixture. This is me making my TikTok. Okay, so next you're gonna want to take your wig and just dunk it in there. Okay, get a good free throw. So nah, let me stop playing. You do want to go ahead and dunk your wig, dip your wig. Sorry, guys. Dip your wig into the shimmer light water mixture, and I used my wide tooth comb to just really comb through the wig and make sure each strand was getting coated. Then I took the honey brown and did the same thing, drizzled it in there and stirred it around until all the mixture was nice and dissolved. Squeeze the whole bottle in there, by the way. You have to squeeze the whole bottle. It threw me off a little bit because it was dark, but squeeze the whole bottle. So now, yeah, I'm making my TikTok. But now we're dipping, doing the first part of the ombre, and we're dipping the wig in. And you want to dip it all the way until pretty much where you want it to stop at. However far you want the blonde to go, that's where you want to stop it at. I'm just testing right now, checking it out, trying to see where I like it, but I end up going pretty much all the way down just to give it a nice ombre effect from the roots to the next color. Alright, y'all, so I was scared, but I ended up letting it sit for a little bit, and this was the color payout that I got, and it was pretty good. At first I was like, it's too dark, but no, it was good. So now we're going to take the next color, which is the darkest brown, and we're just going to add that whole bottle to this current liquid situation we got going on, right? And mix it all in. Make sure, and you want to mix it in. It's very crucial that you mix it in, y'all, because if you don't, you have patches in your wig. Who want to walk around with a patch in a wig? No, we is not. No, this is 2021. You're not about to do that. All right, so next we're gonna go ahead and just dip the tips. Okay, we're gonna start with the tips. Take it easy and just dip the tips in, and then I stopped it right about there until I got a little bit more comfortable, and I went up a little bit further. This is definitely done at your comfortability, so move at your pace. Alright, y'all, so now I'm just washing the wig, getting all the dye and rinsing until the water turns clear. Alright, you guys, so now I'm just combing the wig through and parting and just pretty much wet styling her so she can so I can just have an idea of how I really want her. Can we get into this color? Look at that. Look at how it just blend, baby. Okay. So now we about to just go ahead and blow dry her. I was going to let her air dry, but I was just too pressed, y'all. Too pressed to get her done. I did end up selling this unit. I actually make multiples of this unit, so if you are interested in purchasing a unit like her, please visit my business Instagram, which is Chilux Beauty. I will link that down in the description box below. And yeah, I ended up calling her Truffle Butter. I feel like that is such a cute name for this wig. It's so cute. Yeah. So now we just gonna go ahead and blow dry her out.
Wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you. You're not by yourself. Later, clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wreck and roll, tear apart. Issues left behind.
Alright, you guys, so I was really trying to give her that Dominican blowout. You hear me? I didn't record myself curling her on camera because my camera had died. I do have footage of the cute pin curls I did, which is about to be the next clip. However, you guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all found this very helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Continue watching to see my TikTok that I was so pressed to make. Thank you all. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.
You'll never feel the way I feel.
Like